What's going on, my friends? Cool Andy here with the Precio baby kite. 12 days old, guys. We have made it so far. 12 days been taking care of this baby from day 0, and look how big it is. And this is the time that I'm enjoying the most. It's the time for me to feed him. And I don't know what it is yet, if it's a female or a male, but my feeling is that this Precio baby bird is gonna be a female. I don't know, I have the feeling. I can be totally wrong, but whatever it is, we're gonna keep loving her. Oh, he still has a lot of food there. Yeah, but we're gonna feed him a little bit. Look at how precious. Look at how precious. He had dirty feet. Mommy has to clean it. Mommy's the one that do that, not Papi. So I'm gonna ask Mommy to do it, to clean your feet for you. Such a precious baby. He's warm. Just look at it, guys. Just look at it. What a beautiful precious baby bird. This is a baby kite. 12 days old. I've been raising this Precio from, I hope, and hatching from the egg. Actually, he's here because of me, because he got stuck. His back got stuck in the egg, and one of the wing, the left wing, got stuck in the egg. And I realized that he wasn't hatching anymore, that he wasn't progressing. So I started hopping and broke the rest of the egg, and that's when I realized that he was stuck like glue. So if I would not intervene, he would not be here. So he's a lucky bird. From 3 eggs, 3 fetal eggs, he's the only one here. The first one died developing very young, and the second one still needed like 3 more days to hatch, but he never hatched. He died inside the egg. So he's the only Precio one. And what it is that the parents of this baby, one of them, every time the baby start hatching, one of them eat him. So I always have to be checking and pulling the eggs before they start hatching, so I can hatch them in the incubator and then raising the babies like this. And this baby I'm gonna give it to my son, because he lost his pet. He had a kite, and one raccoon came at night and scared the baby bird. The bird, he was already like 2 years old, and he fell on the bottom, and he caught him from there. And yeah, so now for a long time he didn't want no more bird, but I think he's ready for a new one, so this one is gonna be for him. So let's do what we have to do. Let's feed this baby bird, this beautiful creature. Change the diaper. Look at this, look at it, just look at it, how beautiful. Alright, sweetheart, time for dinner. It's warm, it's ready for you. Come on, baby bird. Oh, you're so hungry. You're so hungry. We're getting out of focus the camera, and they want to see you eating. Yeah, that's what they're gonna eat, because you still have some, but it's late at night and you need to go to bed with a full belly, so you can grow fast and big, and you start getting feathers and grow your wings, so you can fly around and play with us, play with everybody, because everybody's gonna love you, because you're a special creature. Beautiful, yummy bird. Look at this, he already passed out. Alright, sweet dreams. We make a new video tomorrow. GG everybody. This baby bird is ready to go 9-9. So GG, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.